The speaking and writing graded sample booklets include examples from most OET professions that were submitted during previous writing and speaking week campaigns by real candidates preparing to take OET. Speaking tasks were completed under test conditions on Zoom, with an OET staff member taking the role of the interlocutor. Candidates only saw the roll card within the 3 minutes preparation time that they were allocated. Although we can't be sure that candidates completed the writing task under exact test conditions, they were encouraged to do so, and this was the first time they had seen these case notes. Candidates also didn't have access to the sample letter for writing prior to submitting their own letter. We know that candidates typically have a specific grade they are aiming for in writing and speaking, and they want to know what this looks or sounds like in real terms, which is what these booklets do, as well as to show what the grade below or above their targeted grade looks or sounds like where enough samples were provided. Which isn't to say that you should simply find your profession and the sample at your targeted grade in the booklet and simply learn it as a template for your test. This will not lead to the score you want. Instead, the samples demonstrate the assessment process and the strengths and weaknesses in different communication about the same set of case notes that guide you to think about your own communication and how it might place amongst these samples. Each booklet comes with a set of 5 activities you can complete to learn about successful and unsuccessful communication and make sure you are on track to getting the grade you want in your test.